How to buy EHH token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money over some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, show the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the WEEX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener and you created 2 days ago. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That way investment in a safe place. This token trended, as you can see. Sorry guys. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds money. For that, as you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have it also Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is also going to click on it, and here's type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to read actually the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy EHH token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.